Okay, equations of a circle. So we're asked to write the equation of a circle. So there's a few things we need to know first of all. Now, if we were to draw a circle on the x-axis, this here, and then this is our y-axis. So this is our point xy on our axis. And then this here is our radius of a circle. So using Pythagoras, we have got r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. And we normally write it as x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So we write it this way round. So a question. So the distance. So let's have a look. So distance formula. So we need to be able to find the distance between our coordinates. So we can have the distance formula, which is going to be the root of our x2 minus our x1 coordinate squared plus our y2 minus y1 coordinate squared. So this here, so this can be our distance from our center to this point here. So the distance from 0, 0 and our point xy, whatever we're given. So the radius, we can calculate this with x minus h squared and y minus k squared. So r squared, we remove the root and we have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. So this is our formula. And the only difference between this formula here and this one here, this is when we have our point at the origin, and this one here is when we have our center and it's being translated. So let's have a look at an example. Okay, so a question. So write the equation of a circle with a center -9, -6 and diameter 4. So this is our h and our k values. And we have a diameter of 4, which means we have a radius of 2. So if we put this into our formula, we're going to be using this formula here, because it's not at the center, it's not at 0, 0, it's been translated. So r squared is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. H, this is -9, but we want minus h. So it's going to be +9, so it's going to be x plus 9 squared. And then our k value is -6. But we want minus k. So it's going to be -6, which is plus. So it's going to be y plus 6 squared. Now the radius we worked out is 2, so that's going to be 2 squared. So let's write this round the other way. So x plus 9 squared plus y plus 6 squared is equal to 4. Okay, let's have a look at these two questions. So we have a centre at the origin. So when the centre is the origin, we're just going to use x squared plus y squared is r squared. So the radius, so x is at 0, 0, so we just need to substitute in the value. So if r is root 10, then r squared is going to be 10. So we'll just replace this with 10. The second one, the centre, so it's been translated. So you've got x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And we need to substitute in the values. But remembering this is h and k, and we want minus h. So our values were going to be x minus 4 squared plus y, and it's minus k, so it's going to be minus 1, so it's going to be plus 1. The diameter is 8, so the radius is 4, and 4 squared is 16. So there's our answers.